Ito ay hindi napapansin ng karamihan. Artificial intelligence na mas mapanganib hanggang sa tumatagal ang panahon. Sa panahon natin ngayon, malaking parte ang AI kasi napapadali ito ang mga trabaho natin through social medias. Why is it dangerous?
AI is far more dangerous.
Pakinggan mo ito.
Hey Mom, hey Dad, it's me, Ella. Well, a digital version of me, just a bit older. Amazing what technology can do these days, isn't it? All you need are a couple of pictures, like the ones you share on social media.
Tama yung sinasabi ng video, it's a simple photo that posting in social media platforms. Pero mas magiging dangerous ito kung gagamitin sa kasamaan.
Where they can be taken and used by everybody. I know, for you these pictures are just memories, but for others, they are data. And for me, maybe the beginning of a horrible future. A future where my identity can be stolen just like that. Where I can go to prison for things that I would never do.
The Bible tells us, bago ang katapusan, the knowledge will increase. Mas magiging mabilis po ang pag-increase ng mga kaalaman, mga technologies. You will be more addicted using it. Even not you, your children, your family. Ilalayo ka sa realidad, ilalayo ka sa katotohanan. Kakainin ka ng sistema. Daniel chapter 12 verse 4, isara mo ang mga salita at tatakan mo ang aklat. Hanggang sa panahon ng kawakasan, marami ang tatakbo ng parot parito at ang kalaman ay lalago. At technology ay magagamit ng marami, magagamit ng mga bansa. Magiging high-tech ang lahat. Magagamit sa pang-araw-araw, ngunit magagamit rin sa kasamaan. But it doesn't mean that God doesn't know that. Even the technology, God will use it for His second coming. Social media, cameras, live broadcasting. Ito ang sinabi ng Panginoon na makikita siya ng lahat sa kanyang pangalawang pagparito. It means God is in control. Are you ready for His second coming?